Oh boy. Okay, Algebra 1 kids. Two-step equations.
Oh, great.
Two-step. Remember what I told y'all last week, all right? For Wednesday and Thursday, I went over one-step equations with y'all. Really easy. Today, I am introducing two-step equations to y'all. Tomorrow and Wednesday, you will get 12 questions, okay? 12 questions just like this. 6 questions being that of one step, and 6 questions being that of two-step. Guess what we got on Thursday?
Let me guess. Quiz.
There you go. Yay. Okay, so.
No.
2 steps today. 2-step equations. Might want to get out your notebooks for this. All of us have the same sheets. 2-step equations. Okay? 2-step equations. Pretty much you're doing the same exact thing as one step, except you're doing an extra step. A couple of y'all already know how to do this stuff, but let me just go over this with you, okay? When doing a 2-step, you need to approach it as PEMDAS in reverse. What do I mean by that? Well, PEMDAS in reverse. PEMDAS in reverse. Reverse. Okay? What do I mean by this? Well, in PEMDAS, you're doing parentheses first. Yes, that's good. You're doing exponents first. Yes, that's good. But with the multiplication and division and addition and subtraction, when doing this part, okay, this part right here, boom, you flip them. Flip. Okay? What does this mean? Well, you take care of the parentheses and the exponents, yes, but you have to do addition and subtraction before division and multiplication. Okay? Or multiplication and division. Yes?
Hey guys, I think I got a thing that might help people remember that. Like how please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. It's basically like that, but it's reversed. Please excuse Aunt Sally, my dear.
Yeah, pretty much.
What?
My Sally.
It's easier just to remember PEMDAS.
But,
Yeah.
but for
No,
this, you
no.
have to flip it.
And I'll show you what I mean by this, because I'm not trying to confuse anybody here, but when dealing with 2-step equations, you must add or subtract before you multiply or divide, okay? So, look at number 1, right? Number 1 states 5, parenthesis, v plus 5, close parenthesis, equal to 105, right? Okay? Another thing that you need to understand, okay? Properties, okay? I already stated this to y'all before, but I'll just state it to you again. Right here, we have, what property do you think we have, Mr. Privatus? Huh? What? What property do you think that we have right here?
Because
Add
aren't you
first.
supposed to...
What property do you think we have right here?
Correct. What do you mean by property?
Ah.
Parentheses.
Uh-huh. Yes?
I can solve
You
it.
go into the parentheses and add first. If you remove the parentheses, you would add first and then multiply.
We have what you call the distributive property. Distributive
I don't remember all this. I know
property.
how to solve it.
I think I kind of remember this
Okay.
property, but it's kind of hard to remember all three properties.
It's okay. That's what I'm here for. Okay? Distributive property is one of the main properties that you will be using in this class. Okay? Distributive property states A parentheses B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. What does this look like? Well, it looks like a little bit of a rainbow, people. All right? What do I mean by that? You have A being multiplied by the B
Now we're
and
gonna-
A being multiplied by the C.
So basically 5 times V and 5 times 5.
5 times V and 5 times 5.
So that's going to be 25. That cancels the 5 out every times.
So we have, what's 5 times V?
5V.
There you go. 5 times V is 5V plus
25. Because
25
5 by 5 equals 25.
equal to 105. Uh-huh.
Now we put our line down, right?
Oh, we can.
Yeah.
So
And then we do.
separate your two sides. You can
Minus-
separate your two sides. Miss Hyde, can you see that? Equation right there? Okay, cool.
And then we minus both sides by 25.
Ah.
Whatever you do on each side, you do to the other.
Yes, hold on, wait. Pause right quick. We subtract this 25 to the other side, okay? Remember what I said. Do your addition and subtraction before you do your multiplication and division. What's happening between that 5 and the V?
Multiplication, so we're going to.
Multiplication, right? So, we know for a fact multiplication is happening between the 5 and the V. We got to get this by itself. So what is on this side with the 5V?
25.
25, right? So, therefore, what's the opposite of a positive 25?
Negative 25.
What you do on one side, you must,
You do the other.
okay? They cancel out.
80.
So you bring down
Your 5V.
the 5V, which is
that's-
equal to
80.
80. Good job.
And then you divide your 5V, because what's the opposite of multiplication is division. And then you cross the 5, and then you divide.
What you do on one side, you must.
Do to the other, so 80 divided by 5, and then you get it down, and then you get your answer.
What is 80 divided by 5, Miss Howell? Huh?
What? 80 divided
What's
by
80 divided by 5?
5.
No. Badia. Oh, I thought you were. Go ahead, Miss Kirkendall. Huh? Thank you. 16. Okay?
Yeah. So like he was on the back.
Why are you listening to other people? Stop it. Alright? Cool? Be understanding. Okay? Look at this. Take your time. Yes, Campos.
And please help me with number 4.
Oh, don't worry. I'm going to go down the line.
Can I have
More.
one?
Hold on. Hold on. I'm going to go down the line. So, actually, I was going to do number 4 right after I did number 3.
One major coincidence.
Okay? Right after I did number 3. I'm going to do number 4.
We have the same paper, right?
Yeah.
Yes, we all have the same paper. So,
Today's like a review day.
number 3. Number 3, you have negative 10 plus n over 4.
You said that we were going to do number 4, which is.
I said I'm going to do number 4 after I do number 3.
Oh.
Minus 9. It's okay. Don't worry. I'm going to get to it. Okay? I just want to drive home the point of addition and subtraction before division and multiplication.